Okay, so I'm back again. So I'm here with Mr. Collins. He drives Peugeot 307. Uh, so um, so tell us okay, to the start, how long have you owned this car? Yeah,
Um, yeah, we got this car February 2021.
so that
So
was last year. So we are now in July
roughly,
2022.
yes,
So that
this
would be
year,
like how many months now?
um, getting to 1.6 months. That's 1 year, five
1 year.
months thereabouts.
Okay, okay, that's fine. So
Yeah.
share us your experience, the ownership so far, both absolute and positive, negative. What's your feelings about the car so far in the ownership?
Okay. Well, the ownership of the car is interesting, being the fact
Mm,
that it is my first car
okay,
and we got it Nigerian used.
okay.
And the main reason for getting it through Ikenna was fulfilled in the sense that I've read online about nightmares, not just Peugeot, but any brand. If you dabble into anything mechanical, engine, if you go it the wrong way, you are going to
Mm,
have issues. And I
mm,
used to tell people owning a car is not like when you enter a taxi, if it spoils, you dump the driver and enter another one. This one,
mm,
if your car spoils on the road, you
mm.
sleep there with the car, you sort it out, you will not
Yes,
abandon it. So,
yes, yeah.
and that was not my experience. Yeah, once in a while, one or two parts will spoil, but
Mm,
the general
mm,
ownership of the car, driving it, maintenance wise, and other things, it has
mm.
been fulfilling. I won't come and say this car gives me headache.
Okay.
No. Aside from once in a while maintenance, routine maintenance, change bulb, do this,
That's
those
usual wear and
minor
tear. That's what we
things,
call it,
you
wear and
don't.
tear.
But issue of overheating, unnecessary oil is pumping out from nowhere, drive brake and quench, all sort of things that car does to people on the road.
Mm,
No. The ownership
yeah,
of
yeah.
the car is fulfilling. I'm enjoying the car, even though it's a Nigerian use and you expect that you have much issues. No,
Mm,
it wasn't like that's not my experience. In fact, even the mechanic will be like he has never seen anybody that has enjoyed Nigerian use like me. He used to
mm,
be amazed how this guy is serving me without issues. So
mm,
it's fulfilling actually. It is going the right way. It is. That's the main thing. Going the right way. Going through somebody that is experienced that knows how to check a vehicle. That is a professional that will be able to pinpoint the important things you should be looking out for when you want to get a Peugeot vehicle. So it is fulfilling.
okay. Um, okay, for the listeners, these are SW 307 with is a manual transmission. Do you know the engine number? Engine
Uh,
model?
is it TU
Okay,
JP5?
TU5, no,
Yeah,
TU5
TU5,
JP4. So it's a
TU5 JP4.
1.6
Yes,
liter
1.6
natural
manual.
aspirated engine. So yeah, car. All right. So do you think after this one, that's if you intend to virtually give up on the car, do you have in mind to get another Peugeot, or
Well,
or do you want to
because
keep
of
using this one for good? Yeah, come.
the giving up on the car, no, I actually intend to keep it as a legacy vehicle
Okay,
in my
okay.
garage.
All right.
At the moment, if I see money, I'm
Mm,
already preparing my mind to get a 508 manual
mm,
as well.
okay,
That should be the next car I'm looking at getting.
okay.
Yeah, so of course, it will be a Peugeot. Even if I want to get a car for my wife, I'm also looking
Mm,
at 307 automatic for her. So
mm,
at the
okay,
meantime, it's Peugeot for
okay.
now.
For now.
So
Okay, so I wish you the best in your Peugeot experience and motoring. Okay, thank you, Mr. Collins.
Thank you. Thank you.